Okay. Hello people. So this time, ang discuss naman natin about the transformation of standard form to general form. Okay. Bago pa yan, recall natin kung ano ang general form ng ellipse. Okay. So ang general form ng ellipse is ax squared plus by squared plus cx plus dy plus e equal to 0. So ang a and b have the same signs. And how about naman yung standard form? So ang standard form ay may itsura na ganito. You also have a quantity x minus h squared over a squared plus quantity y minus k squared over b squared equal to 1. And meron din tayong ganitong format into the standard form where a is greater than b kung you have the following quantity x minus h squared over b squared plus minus quantity y minus k quantity squared over a squared equal to 1. So in the form of vertical major axis. Yung isa naman sa una is you also have the horizontal major axis. Okay. So this time, kunin natin ang LCD ng 64 and 100. So ano yung factors ng 64? So you also have 2 times 2 times 2 times 2 times 2 times 2. So that's the factors of 64. And how about naman si 100? So ang factors ng 100 ay 2 times 2, 5 times 5. So kunin natin ang LCD which is all of the terms or all of the factors. So multiply natin. So you will get 1,600 lahat. So ang LCD na yan is gagamitin natin para mawala ang denominator ng equation mo. So para maging into general form. So which is 1,600 ang LCD. Okay. This time 1,600 divided by 100 is 16. 10 times x squared is 16x squared plus you have 1,600 divided by 64. So you will get 25. Tapos attach natin yung times y squared equal to 1 times 1,600. That will be 1,600. Okay, so we have to set up into the general form. So 16x squared plus 25y squared minus 1,600 equal to 0. So therefore, ito ang standard to general form process ng equation. So you have already general form of 16x squared plus 25y squared minus 1,600 equal to 0. For number 2, kailangan natin i-transform from standard to general form. So kunin natin ang LCD. So ang LCD will be 525 and you also have 16. So kunin natin yung factors ng 25, 5 times 5, and you also have yung factors ng 16, which is 2 times 2 times 2 times 2. So bring down natin all the terms. So may 5 times 5 times 2 times 2 times 2 times 2. Multiply natin lahat. Therefore, yung LCD nito is 400. So, LCD is 400. Divide natin sa denominator. 400 divided by 25 is 16y squared plus 400 divided by 16 is 25. Tapos attach natin quantity x minus 2 quantity squared equal to 1 times 400 is 400. So expand natin itong quantity x minus 2 squared, that will be 16y squared plus 25 times x squared minus 4x plus 4 equal to 400. So simplify natin all the terms plus 25x squared minus 100x plus 100 minus 400. Lipat natin yung 400 sa kaliwa equal to 0. So final answer natin this will be 16y squared plus 25x squared minus 100x minus 300 equal to 0. So ito na ang general form mo ng equation ng ellipse. Okay, let's move forward sa number 3. So for number 3, kailangan ko i-transform into the general form. Okay, so kanina we have already the LCD. Ang LCD of 36 and 100. So that will be 2 times 2 times 3 times 3. 2 times 2 for 100 times 5 times 5. So LCD ng 36 and 100 is 2 times 2 times 3 times 3 times 5 times 5. So LCD natin is, multiply na natin, that will be 900. 900. Okay, so LCD is 900. This time divide natin 900, divide by 100 is 9. Then attach quantity x minus 3 squared plus 900 divided by 36 is 25 times y minus 4 quantity squared equal to 900. Okay. So expand natin yung terms. You also have quantity x squared minus 6x plus 9 plus 25 times y squared minus 8y plus 16. Then lipat natin minus 900 equal to 0. So simplify natin all the terms. 9x squared minus 54x plus 81 plus 25y squared minus 200y plus 400 minus 900 equal to 0. So simplify na lang natin all the terms, combine with x's and combine with y's. So you also have 9x squared plus 25y squared minus 54x minus 200y, 81 plus 400, that will be positive 481 minus 900, that will be minus 419 equal to 0. So therefore, this will be your general form of your equation of the ellipse. Okay. This time, bibigyan ko kayo ng exercises from 1 to 5. So you need to translate from standard to general form of the ellipse.